Good morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, Weather Pros, responding fire. We're talking about severe weather threat this afternoon, and it is a pretty heightened threat for the Roanoke Valley and to the east, to the south. Major issues probably going to be happening towards the beach and Raleigh and Martinsville, areas like that with this enhanced risk. But this whole area I'm just going to draw is in a threat level that I believe will see damaging straight line winds and tornadoes. The reason I say that is a lot of the hodiographs and things like that this morning. We have a low pressure system back here. Let me try to draw that for you. Back here, we have winds coming in the southeast around there. Storms coming from the west. When that happens, you get a rotation in the clouds, and that will formulate possible tornadoes. And that could be along the line, which will be a mesoscale convective system. Tornado threat is there. As you see, Roanoke's right here, so it's basically right along the Blue Ridge and east. So Bedford County, Franklin County, things like that. Wind in a heightened level here. This actually may be pulled back, like I said, further even to the west. And of course, hail is a threat, but not the biggest threat out of everything here, which would be the winds and the tornado threat. I think they're a little more substantial, and especially the wind threat with this, because we're going to see some quasi-linear convective system and a mesoscale convective systems, kind of same thing, move through the area with strong straight line winds. And of course, when you get kinks in that, you get tornadoes, and also any storms that fire out front of it may be supercellular and also producing tornadoes and high winds. So let's take a look at the HRRR. That is the higher reflectivity resolution, rapid resolution model, which is very accurate as of late. You see, storms will fire and move to the east. This will be around, let's see, this 2, 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You do see it comes over the area with some pretty strong thunderstorms. What we're going to watch is not only these complexes that are out ahead, which, like I said, that could cause tornadic issues, but we also have to watch this right here, which is a MCS, a mesoscale convective system that's forming. Now, things do show a little bit differently. Like I said, there's a couple rounds there. You see right here, I mean, it doesn't come out extremely strong, but you can see there's that line. This is right around 8 o'clock tonight. It's between 7 and 9. We have this MCS come through, and it may fall apart a little bit, is what this is saying, but that may be with the rain, not with the wind. I think we're going to have some strong winds push into this. So anywhere from 50 mile an hour plus winds could occur. Any of these storms also create some very heavy rainfall and flooding. New Jersey's really getting beat up with flooding currently, and even New Jersey, places like that, overnight have issues. So if you're looking, any of my friends from up there, be on the lookout also for this. They're also under a slight risk of severe weather, and tornadoes could occur there too. That would be a major issue with flooding, especially in Burlington County, Camden County areas that have been walloped this morning with rain. So let's review. You get a couple complexes of severe weather. They could be supercellular, so damaging winds, hail, tornadoes, and you get the mesoscale convective system come around between 6 and 8 tonight. This may be underdoing it with the radar, but that's what we're seeing right now. I'm going to put the significant tornado perimeter up. I'm not sure. I haven't looked really at this, so I can't tell you right off the bat what the STP is showing, but I will in a second. Like I said, it's not an extreme risk of tornadoes, but they are there. And like I said before, here's Roanoke, Lynchburg, that area, Franklin County, Bedford County. These are all Botetourt. These are all in the area for slight risk. And like I said, with that, we have the storms out in front, and then that mesoscale convective system that moves through around 8 o'clock. So be on the lookout. Have multiple ways to get warnings, and please stay with us here at the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. We will continue to update you throughout the day. Meteorologist Dean Davison, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe.